Hey guys, I wanted to catch these birds. I see few hundred, even thousand of birds just flying in a stream above the sea here. Incredible! They've been flying through about the canal for like a minute now. I would say it's even 1,000 birds easily. I don't know where these guys are heading. Let's see. Look at that. What are they doing there? Look how many. Anyway, so you see the Lombay Island is a little bit covered by these weird clouds, like mushroom. Oh, look at the birds again, there's more. Seriously. Where are these guys coming from? I have no idea really how. There must be incredible amounts of nests.